This is Tor's solo show. The artist herself is getting it all together. She's putting some, what is it? Cucumber, lime, mint water, because she classed it up. It's in the bag. Should be in the bag. Alright, we got some refreshments, baklava. It's probably gonna go there. We got some coffee, because, you know. And all the refreshments. Chorizo, yeah, it's the best meat. Here's cheese, my favorite, egg brownies. Got cherries, that's her wine. This is the guest book. And that is the main event that I brought because we forgot it. And then here.
Oh my god, that label isn't up yet.
Uh-oh. Last minute thing. Awesome fucking paintings. This is in my view. I love this one. Yeah. This one's so cool. All of them are fucking cool, but there's this wall. I got it, a snake plant. Oh, I didn't see this one. Oh, it's an anguille. It's a fucking angle? That's cool. I didn't realize that. Ooh, sorry. You're someone else.
Take a video. Beware.
This is the diptych. I can't even fit it. That looks cool. And then this says buy all those. That's so cool. She got some photos.
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm like, should be quite